Hello friends, today we'll be doing an unboxing. So let's start with cutting the tapes for this box. Okay, so we are almost done with opening the box. There we go. So what we have in the box is a SSD, and that too Kingston UV400. You can see the packing of the hard disk here. So you can see here it has some basic description of what features it has, like 10x fast and the size of hard disk. At side you will see some gap, and you can just put in your finger or a knife, just expand the package and take the hard disk out. So it's done. Yeah, so this is the hard disk. You can see it's shiny metal piece. It's quite light and durable. Also, the performance of this UV400 is very good. Right now I'm using the same hard disk in my desktop. And moving further, I will just perform some tests and show you some information related to this hard disk. So let's go and take a look. I'll launch Crystal Disk Mark. In Crystal Disk Mark, I'll just perform a speed test on C drive, and C drive is basically UV400, the one which I have unboxed, and you will see a result of this one. I will compare this result with a mechanical WD hard disk, which is also in parallel with this hard disk, this SSD, and that too is a SATA 3 port is being utilized for that. Now there is one more SSD A400 in this same system, and that is being utilized in a different port, which is a SATA 2 port. So my motherboard has two SATA 2 port and two SATA 3 port. So let's compare what we have right now. So this is the first result, and I'll take a screenshot and keep at the top left. Then we'll do a speed test for this WD hard disk, mechanical hard disk. Then this one I'll keep just at the bottom left side, and then I'll perform a test for the A400 SSD. That too is from Kingston, that I already unboxed and uploaded the video. It's there in our history. So once you see the comparison, there the numbers, mechanical and SSD, you see a huge performance difference. So the read speed and write speed is like 483 and 353, and in the mechanical it's 166 and 165. Now if you compare to the one which is in SATA 2 port, the speed of write is 272, and speed of read is 272, and speed of write is 265. So these are, even though, decent number and much faster than the mechanical drive, and even though the disk is in SATA 2 port. Now let's see some disk information, like what is the health of the disk and some allocation tables and all. So this is the first one which you will be seeing, C drive. This is UV400, and these are the basic details where it is connected. Likewise, it is in SATA 600, that is SATA 3. Now we will be having a look on the other one, which is J drive, and that too is a A400 SSD, and you will see that the transfer mode, it will be like SATA 500, I guess 500 or 300. So let's see. Okay, yeah, it is 300 only. So this is 300 for SATA 2 drive. Now after that we will see a look on CDEF, that is 1 TB mechanical drive, that is also in good shape and connected to a SATA 3. You can see SATA 600. This is a last hard disk which I have, a USB hard disk, and this is kind of having issue with this allocation table. So that's it about UV400. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get notification, and thank you.